Hello doctors and nurses, this is Alex here from Swoosh English, and I'm actually in Mumbai, India right now, meeting lots of doctors and nurses and helping them to overcome their issues with getting over to the UK. The biggest hurdle that's stopping them right now is either the IELTS or the OET examination to prove their English proficiency. If you're wondering where I am, I'm actually on a rickshaw right now. You can see my rickshaw driver. He is busy at work doing what he does, and I'm out here, and it's been really interesting over the last few days to meet lots of doctors and nurses, go for food with them, understand how we can help them here at Swoosh. And what's very interesting when I asked them about will you choose IELTS or OET, and most of them are saying they're going to choose the OET examination. You're probably wondering why would they choose the OET, the Occupational English Test, which, as you all know, is an English examination that is centered around a healthcare context. And there's three main things that the doctors and nurses are telling me about why they've made that switch from the IELTS to the OET. First of all, they're more motivated to take this examination. They're really passionate about healthcare. That's why they became doctors and nurses. So this content that they're learning in the OET is really interesting to them. Second thing is their confidence. They're more confident with this examination, that when they walk into this examination, they know they've got the skills, they've got the knowledge, they know what the topic is going to be. It's going to be a healthcare topic. It's not like IELTS where it could be any kind of topic. It could be global warming, it could be government, it could be issues about education, for example, in IELTS writing task 2. And then the other thing is that it's more manageable for them. It's something that they're using, this language and vocabulary that they see in the OET exam. They're using it day in, day out in the hospitals when they're speaking to patients, they're speaking to colleagues, communicating, understanding what the patient needs, etc. So being able to have more confidence, being more motivated, and it being a more manageable examination, those three factors are really big elements of why they're going to choose OET. Of course, there's some people who've been saying that they're going to choose the IELTS examination because it's been something that they've been preparing for a long time. But it's been very interesting to really get here on the ground here in India. As of right now, India has the most amount of test takers for OET in the world, probably for IELTS as well. I mean, there's so many people who are really hard working. That's shone through. The doctors and nurses are really hard working. They study for many hours a day because they know this will really change their life. So this is Alex from Swoosh English. If you want to download any of our free materials, our free video lessons, we've got lots on there, so we want to help as many of you to pass as possible. That's my rickshaw driver beeping his horn. The traffic here is in peak time of traffic. Make sure you go to swooshenglish.com and you can get those free video course materials. So this is Alex signing out from Mumbai, India. Have a good rest of the day.